Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how beginners in Pakistan can start their freelancing journey step by step. We'll cover everything from skills to payments. Freelancing offers the freedom to work from anywhere, providing a flexible career path that is growing rapidly across the country. Today, we show you how to join this digital revolution. First, let's talk about skill selection. Identify what you're passionate about or already skilled in, such as design, writing, or programming. Research the demand for these skills in the global market. Use platforms like Google Trends to see what's currently most sought after by international clients. Pakistan is currently one of the fastest growing hubs for freelancers globally, making it the perfect time to start your career. Next, explore learning resources. Websites like Coursera, Udemy, and YouTube offer incredible courses to help you master your chosen craft. Don't just watch videos, practice. Building a small project while you learn is the fastest way to gain real confidence and competence. Now, onto the platforms. Popular options in Pakistan include Upwork for long-term contracts, Fiverr for gigs, and Freelancer.com for bidding. Create accounts on these platforms. Take your time to fill out every section accurately to build immediate trust with potential clients. Ensure you have a stable internet connection and a quiet workspace. Professionalism starts with your environment. When it comes to getting paid, Payoneer and Wise are widely used and trusted for receiving international payments in Pakistan. Most major Pakistani banks allow you to link these accounts directly, making it easy to withdraw your earnings into local currency. Now let's discuss your profile. Your bio should focus on how you can solve the client's problems, not just your history. Your portfolio is your visual resume. Include your best work, even if they were personal projects created while learning. For client acquisition, start by bidding on smaller projects. This helps you build a reputation and gather those crucial first reviews. Communication is everything. Be proactive, polite, and always respond to client messages as quickly as possible to stay ahead. Avoid the common mistake of underpricing your services. While you're new, you should still charge a fair rate for quality work. Manage your time wisely. Delivering projects on time is the fastest way to earn 5-star ratings and repeat business. Lastly, don't forget the legalities. Registering as a freelancer with the relevant authorities in Pakistan is a smart move. Understand your tax obligations early on. It keeps your business professional and prevents any issues as your income grows. Think long term. Today, you're an individual freelancer. Tomorrow, you could be running your own digital agency right here in Pakistan. Starting is the hardest part, but the rewards are worth it. Take that first step today. You've got this. Good luck on your journey. Thank you for watching. Build your future today.